Hey guys, and welcome back to the Accumulation Zone, the YouTube channel where you are going to learn everything about trading. In today's video, I'm going to be coding a strategy that has been recommended by one of my Telegram subscribers right here. And if you haven't joined Telegram, you make sure you subscribe it because there's lots and lots of free content here in the Telegram group. For example, the trades I'm taking on a daily basis using the SCALPER Pro. And you can also message me here on Telegram if you want access for a 7-day free trial of the SCALPER Pro indicator and convince yourself. Alright, here in this little poll I started, I received a little suggestion for a new video. And in today's video, I'm going to be coding my trading journey's unknown TradingView best indicators for scalping with a 98.8% win rate. Alright, and let's jump straight into TradingView. Alright guys, here we are in TradingView and I'm going to show you which indicators this strategy is going to be using. The indicator is using the STC indicator by Cheyenne KM, the Trend Trader strategy here by H. Potter, and an EMA, an exponential moving average. The only thing we are going to change is the exponential moving average. We are going to increase the length to 200 and make the line a little bit thicker. And everything else stays with the default settings. We are going to be testing it on a S&P500 Index 1-minute chart. Alright guys, now let me show you a few trade examples how to use this strategy. Alright, first of all, we have to have a bearish candle close below the 200 EMA line. Second of all, we want to see price action stay below the EMA line, the yellow line here, in red, cross this trend trader strategy line, turn green, come back and turn red again. And at the same time, we want to see the STC indicator to be red as well. So on this candle, all our conditions were met. We are going to place our entry right here. Set our stop loss up here at this swing high, and we are going to targeting a 1-to-1 risk reward ratio. Let's see how this played out. Oh, pretty close, and we hit take profit. Beautiful trade. Alright, and now here is an example for a long entry. We have the trend above the 200 EMA, and we had a green color trend. We crossed the trend trader strategy line, turned red and turned green again. At the same time, we see that the STC indicator turned green as well. So all our conditions are met. We are going to place our entry right here, enter the position, and place our stop loss at the most recent swing low. We are going to be targeting a simple 1-to-1 risk reward ratio and see how this trades plays out. And we see that was a winning trade. We could have even went for a higher risk to reward, but that's all up to your trade management. So here we are. I finished coding this strategy. And now let's check out the results of how it's performing. And before I show you the results, guys, if you want access to the source code of this strategy and the script to test it yourself on all kinds of different pairs, feel free to support me here on Patreon to get access to all my strategies with the full source code. That is especially handy if you want to learn how to code those strategies yourself to make your life a lot easier. And if you don't want to learn it, I'm also offering my coding skills here on Fiverr. And if you like me to automate and code your trading strategy on TradingView, feel free to contact me here. I have the link for that in the description. Same for the Patreon. But let's get down to backtesting. Alright, here we've got the strategy. Let's close this one and have a look at my trading dashboard. So we see outright on a 1-minute chart on the S&P 500, we we closed a total of 326 trades with a win rate of 42.33%, 15 consecutive losers with a max drawdown of 15%. That's by risking 1% per trade. All up, we had a return of 18% with a profit factor of almost 1. Alright, so let's have a look, for example, at our trade here that we drew up earlier. We've seen everything was working out perfectly. Place the stop loss right here, and all the settings are the same ones as well. Now, actually, in this video, he showed a 1-to-1 risk to reward. So we are going to use this same setting. And we see we increased our win rate already to 52%, but our drawdown is a lot higher because we're also closing more trades. Our profit factor was increased and our return was slightly decreased down to 14%. Alright guys, I spent a little bit of time to optimize this strategy because I'm also trading the S&P 500 every day on the 1 minute to 5 or 15 minute time frame, using my Scalper Pro indicator. Today was a pretty successful day with that, and if you want a free trial for the Scalper Pro indicator, just join the Telegram group, the link for that is in the description, and send me a message and I will give you free access. Alright, but now back to the optimization. So with a risk reward of 1, that setting stays the same. We are going to increase the look back for the swing high and low stop loss. So that just means we are placing the stop loss at the highest point of the previous 10 candles. We are still going to be risking 1%. That's totally up to you, how much risk tolerant you are or how risk tolerant you are. We are going to change the trend trader length here to 40. We are going to keep the multiplier at 3. We are changing the SDC length to 17 and the fast length to 22. Alright, let's check out the results. So we see we actually increased our win rate to 57.85% over a total of 280 trades. So we see we have a almost 100 trades less than before, but a better win rate, a better profit factor, only 7 consecutive losses, and our return, man, that's way better. It's 53% over a total period of, let's have a look at the list of trades. Go down here to the bottom. Right here in the list of trades, we can see that we opened our first trade on the 12th of June. That's roughly 1 month ago from where we are now. And within this single month, we closed 280 trades with a win rate of 58%. Of course, it's a 1-to-1 risk reward ratio, but we still made 53% gain on account by just risking 1%. We had a max drawdown of 7%, but in relation to the profit, that's almost nothing. For a single month, you have to keep that in mind. And that's why getting access to the source code and those scripts is so powerful, because you can optimize strategies like this and all the other strategies I've coded so far here on YouTube to their maximum performance on whatever asset you want to trade them on. So you see, we increased the win rate from 52% up to 57%, and our return, we increased our return by 30%. And you can do this on whatever asset you want to. You could do this on Euro US dollar, Pound US dollar, or Aussie US dollar, even on the German 30 or a few commodities like gold, even cryptocurrencies, wouldn't be a problem. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching this video to the end. And if you haven't subscribed to the free Accumulation Zone Telegram channel, make sure you do, because there's lots of free awesome content for you here. For example, lots of my trade examples with very good explanation, and you can also message me here on Telegram to request free access for the Scalper Pro indicator. Alright guys, I see you in my next video.